on top. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you. The room, as you enter, this is everything. It looks more like a room now, I'm not gonna lie. So I was not able to sleep. I was awake till 3 a.m. last night because I wanted to change up my bedding, and I saw these celebrity home tours on Architectural Digest, and I just randomly wanted to change things up. So I'm going to Ikea and I'm gonna try to look up some really nice pillows and stuff, affordable but aesthetic for myself. So let's see what I end up finding. I'm wearing the N95 mask now. You should too, because this will stop Omicron apparently, and it's very transmissible. Someone's coming up. So I saw some cushions which were $9. I'm also watching that 70s show right now, and I really want to have that aesthetic. To not get distracted when you're in Ikea. I don't even want a new kitchen, but I almost looked at sinks and I love them. If you follow Aspen Ovard, this is literally her house. She spent so much money and effort to make knobs be like this. Do you guys remember that? I came to buy a $9 throw that I can put on me when I sleep. What is this? People from Finland literally said, oh, we have a warehouse, let's just call it a shopping store, and it's literally like a warehouse and you have to walk through it, and my shoulder's killing me at this point. And they say they made Ikea specially in a way that it looks like a maze. Well, yeah, maze it is. I feel like I'm in a construction plant or something. Guys, I've been eyeing this pillow, but it's for $40 something. I come here, it's on sale. I love this pillow since the minute I saw it. It's for $20. I am buying it, and it's here because they give you the reason. So it's here because this was a display piece. It's on week 4. I'm fine, I'll wash it and use. So right before the cash counter, I'll sit and look and think about my shopping cart. So right now I had these items, and most often I will remove anything that I think is useless or I just bought because I thought so. So I've given deep thought, and now I've already removed 3 items from my thing, which I think are useless, and these are the only ones which I actually need. I would highly recommend reviewing your shopping basket. Not only will you reduce the amount of money you spend, but also the amount of clutter that's in your house that would be just useless. There you go. Will this stay here? I had to buy the bag because I forgot to bring one. Let's start with the pillow. $9. As you can see, it's the thin one. I didn't want the thick one. That was the problem. That it was, my cushions were either too thin or my pillow is too thick. So this would be just nice. It's just how the hotel pillows are. So this is the one I usually take at hotels. So this should be good. Let's open this baby up. I'm sure it's going to be so satisfying to watch it expand. There we go. Ooh, watch it expand. is it not going to expand? Like, I got it because of this, guys, and now I hope my pillow cover suits and fits it, because I did not buy. I was like, I'm gonna use my own pillow cover. I don't need to spend extra money. Do you think it will fit? It's like just a little bit thin. Let's see. But look at this. I got this from India. This it's from Sarovar Portico. I got it from Home Center, so you can buy it too if you want. Is it a weird shape? Yes, but I think once I sleep on it, it'll be nice. Look at who saved some money. This girl. I did not buy a pillow cover for this because I already have pillow covers that I'm not using, so that's that. Speaking of cushions, I got a cushion cover, removed the other one, and I kept this one. I think it's pretty nice and 70s, so I like it. To go with that, my bed sheet is this, and it looked more white on the website, so I'm happy I went in person. It's more of like a dirty off-white color, so I'm very happy. It's like very Indian but still bohemian. Then to go with the dark 70s theme, I hope it's 70s, I'm not sure. Look at this beautiful forest green throw. So this is what I'm going to be using to put on top of me when I sleep, because I can't sleep without anything. So this is that. I'm very happy. It's such a nice rich color, and to go with all of this, if you can tell, this is for my chair. My chair has the screws coming out, so I'm going to use this beautiful color. So you see how these all just go together. Are you getting my vibe that I'm trying to have? And then last but not the least, guys, this pillow, I saw this on the website. I saw this in store and it was $40, and I thought, I can't do this. No, you've actually seen the clip already. I found it for $20. Why? Because it's a display piece. I don't care about that. This is not a print, it's not a sticker, it's embroidery. Can you believe it? How beautiful is this? I love this. And guess what? I did not just get the cover for $20. I got the cushion for $20 as well. So now I can buy more Ikea cushions and I have a new pillow. Isn't that amazing? The whole thing costed me $98.50, so around $100. Let's just call it $100 for a bed makeover. Those are Singapore's prices, but actually each item was quite affordable, so I'm not mad about that. Like, I would not invest a lot in my room here in this sense that you're seeing recently, because I did not want to become permanent in Singapore. I always wanted to be like, oh, if I'm moving, I don't have a lot of stuff. That's what I wanted, especially if I'm moving back home. But now I feel no matter how long I'm here for, if I have these comforts, I like it more, because my room would be nice. I'll just feel like I want to stay more. And ever since I got the double bed and all the situation, my curtains, it feels more like home and I want to stay here. I'm happy to come back here, and I've been lighting my candles more often now, so I'm very happy about that. So now let's wash all of this, and in the next clip I'll show you what it looks like on my bed. Okay everyone, I hope you're ready to see the bed makeover, because it's finally complete. There you go. It's giving earthy, bohemian with a little bit of Indian touch. These cushion covers are actually from a shop in Delhi near my house. This is that lovely pillow I got. I've been having such amazing sleep because of it. These are from Home Center back in India. I bought them 3 years ago. Love it. These toys, of course, are mine. I love this. Actually, this print is very Indian, so it's like a neutral. It's still Indian, but not too colorful that it's distracting. So since these things are so neutral, I was able to keep the cushions colorful, because I can never make up my mind on one aesthetic. I love that this brings in some texture. We have some frills over here, and the green color is very earthy and down to earth. Of course, let's not forget the curtains. They just make up the whole room. But what I love about it, the main aesthetic of my room is bringing the outside in. And as I said, bohemian, grounded, Indian. And I wanted to give a nod to my Indian self as well. As you can see, I've got these leaves around my mirror. I've got a little dream catcher right there on the door. So there are bohemian notes of greenery in the room. All my greenery is fake, by the way, because of my job, I cannot seem to keep plants alive. Some little golden leaves over here from a bouquet that I got. this beautiful bouquet. I also changed up my puja setup a bit, which I really am happy with. Again, as I said, lots of greenery. This is like my Bhagwan's own little section. There's actually like a cloth there and everything, so that's nice. A book. This is where I light all my candles. So I've got this candle over here. I've got these two. I have this beautiful diffuser situation, which was a gift. This thing actually projects constellations on the wall. For some reason I cannot show you on camera, it doesn't catch it. It's only through the naked eye, but as you can see, it lights up. So I put that on my wall while I sleep. So I put it there and it projects the constellations over here and reminds me I'm just a small little thing in this big bad world. Everything that I got is from Ikea, and now Ikea is in India as well, especially online. I'll make sure to link everything that I got for you guys if you want to make over your bed in the same situation. And I will see you in my next video. I think this is all that I'm gonna do as a makeover to my room. I do, however, want to make over my almirah. Yeah, my outfit, so that will be coming soon, hopefully. Thank you for sticking by me in this room makeover series. I have other videos in this series as well that I will link on the screen right now. Please leave a like if you like this situation of my room, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.